I'm Tom Champagne. I'm the operations manager here in Springfield.
Something this big size is going to turn into this little size.
This division, we have 79 employees. I think probably 90% of our employees are from the greater Springfield area. At least half of our employees have been here over 5 years. Edwin, how long you worked here for?
I worked for 18 years.
I think it's very important to care about who you work with. And I think we do a good job of creating that healthy culture here. All of our employees are skilled. I mean, really, they all need to be able to drive forklifts, operate balers, operate grinders, operate skid steers, and they need to know the different grades of papers that they're seeing. All the stuff we recycle here goes into making toilet paper, tissue paper, decking, composite decking, polyester. The clothes that we're wearing is made out of recycled plastic. Everything we do here is straight from the manufacturers. It's very important that we recycle. A lot of these manufacturers, if they didn't have any place to go with their scrap, it would just end up in a landfill. Especially with plastic, I think more plastics is generated from the manufacturers, so capturing that plastic is just as important as capturing the plastics from households. This is the best job I've ever had. It's something different, new challenges, gives you a chance to be creative, different ways to solve problems. You know, it allows you to be a little imaginative.